Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to talk to you about why your lawn almost completely stops growing during winter. Some turf grasses continue to grow through the cold of winter, like fescue or ryegrass. For the lucky ones that have a warm season grass like softleaf buffalo, couch, kikuyu or zoysia, your lawn will require a lot less mowing as it starts to slow down with the cooler weather. Once soil temperatures drop below 14 degrees Celsius, warm season grasses will start to slow down and go into a certain level of dormancy, minimising metabolic activity, which helps a plant to conserve energy. At this time of year, it is especially noticeable as you may have gone from mowing your lawn weekly to every couple of weeks, and for some of us in the more southern states, not mowing at all. Then there are the northern parts of the country which don't experience the seasons to the same extent, as they have wet and dry seasons and the grass tends to grow all year round. If you have a warm season grass, now is a good time to raise the mowing height a little to help the plant retain nutrient and to protect the lawn from any winter stress until spring. A lawn in dormancy will lose some colour, but this is not anything to worry about and is completely common. If you would prefer your lawn stay green, there is a great product you can use called ColorGuard Plus. For more tips on how to look after your lawn this winter, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button on the left. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia. We hope to catch you next time. For all your turf needs in Brisbane, visit JimboombaTurf.com.au.